Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Quick Assist not opening on Windows 11. First, click the Start button and search for Quick Assist. If Quick Assist does not open, don't worry. We'll try a few simple solutions. First, open Settings. Click Apps, then select Installed Apps. Now search for Quick Assist. Click the three dots next to Quick Assist and select Advanced Options. Here, first click Terminate to completely close the app. Now look for the Repair option and click Repair. Wait a few moments for Windows to complete the repair. After that, try opening Quick Assist again. If Quick Assist is still not opening, go back to the same Advanced Options page and click Reset. Windows will reset the Quick Assist app and its data. Now try opening Quick Assist again. If the problem still continues, check for Windows updates. Open Settings, click Windows Update and select Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Finally, if Quick Assist is still not opening, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Quick Assist and select the official Microsoft Quick Assist app. If the app is not installed correctly, reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. After installation is complete, click Open and check if Quick Assist is working normally. That's it. These steps should help fix the Quick Assist not opening problem on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows tutorials.